Okay, so this video is supposed to help us find surface area of two shapes, a rectangular prism and a triangular prism. So I am going to go ahead and show you one of each and then the different things you need to do. So surface area is just how much space this object takes up. So for example, I have this box right here from Amazon, just a normal box. And if I were to take apart and unfold this box, how much space would it take up? So to do that, I know that a box has 6 sides. So 1, then back here is 2, then 3 and 4, and then up here and down here is 5 and 6. So first I'm going to find the surface area of the front, which is a rectangle, base times height. And whatever I get on the front, I know that it's going to be the same back here. So base and height. That gives me 2 sides already. Then I'm going to find the surface area, or just the area of this rectangle right here, which is the top. And again, it's going to be base times height. And then whatever I get up here, it's going to be the same down here. And then last, I'm going to find the sides, which if I turn it to its side, it's a rectangle. So again, base and height. And then I'm going to just multiply it by 2. Once I do all of that, I have the surface area of a box, a rectangular prism. Now, a triangular prism was a little bit harder to find around my house, so I had to create one, and I found one that I could create. So it's kind of funny. I used bread, and it's like a triangular prism because the bases, so the top and the bottom, right there, the bases are triangles. So if you just look right there, that's a triangle, and that side is a triangle. And then everything else is a rectangle. So if I look at the bottom, that and just like the outline of it, I have a rectangle. And then if I look at the bottom there, right there, it is just a rectangle. And if I look at just right there, and if it was a nice, pretty, not bread, that's also a rectangle. So to find the surface area of this shape, I would find triangle, which is base times area of the triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. Whatever I get up here, it's going to be the same down here. And then I would basically find all of my rectangles. There's 3 rectangles around. So this one is just going to be base times height. Then this rectangle is base times height. And my last rectangle is base times height. Once I get all of those, I add them all up, and that gets me my total surface area. When I solve these problems out, I like to have a box kind of in front of me, or if you can find a triangular prism in front of you, that way you can kind of see what sides you've already done and what you've already found the area for, and what sides that you still need to find the area for. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Hopefully this helped out a little bit. Bye guys.